So oneSafe is an app to store all your confidential and personal information, such as passwords, credit card numbers, passport number, any kind of information that you want to keep always with you. We decided to build an app that is as simple as possible and also that you can personalize, customize according to your needs, according to your tastes. You'll be able to understand very quickly, you'll be able to use it very quickly, and also you'll be able to customize it. We try to find the best trade-off between something that is highly personalizable and also very easy to understand. We really wanted to make digital security available to everyone. We really wanted to build an app that is as inclusive as possible, and this is why we made it very accessible. In terms of the implementation of voiceover, dynamic type, everything is in there, and it makes the app convenient to use for anyone. Our experience is really that the more you make an app accessible, the easier it is to use for everyone. And recently we decided to rewrite oneSafe from scratch. To leverage all the new technologies, cryptography, new cryptography. So we are using ShaSha-Poly in this new version of oneSafe, which is a stronger and more robust algorithm than the AES that we were using before. SwiftUI on iOS and Compose on Android to build a better user interface and to add more interaction and also to build more accessible user interface, which is very important to us, as I mentioned earlier. oneSafe is going to be free. We are trying to build something a little bit like Signal. The idea is really to make it available for everyone, and then if you want to help us, we'll have a donation screen where you can help us with this. We don't want to restrict security only to very rich people. We want it to be available to anyone. Exactly like we want to make the app very accessible to anyone who wants to have better digital security, because we believe that this should be kind of right of everyone right now. So this is why the app will be free. And you can download it on the App Store and on the Play Store for Android. And I hope you'll enjoy oneSafe as much as I enjoyed designing it.